Good morning, children. I am your art and craft teacher. You must have watched the drawing videos, isn't it? This is the fourth video of drawing for class 1, and today we will learn how to draw a hut and tree. First, we have to arrange all the necessary equipment. That is, we need a drawing copy, a ruler, pencil, sharpener, and eraser. We have to remember few points before we start. First, we must have sharpened the pencil, and second, we will draw freehand. So here we start. We will start with the 8th page. We will draw border here like this. We will mention date here, that is 15th of June 2020. We will write topic here, that is hut and tree. Okay. We will divide page into 4 equal parts. First, we will draw a sloping line here like this. Now, from both ends, we will draw slanting lines like this. Now, I will join these 2 points with a sleeping line. Okay? We will leave some space here and we'll draw a standing line here like this. Again, we will leave some space here and a standing line. Now, I will make a line here like this. Now, we will draw 2 windows and a door here. And for door, we will make 2 standing line here and join both with a sleeping line. Okay? We will write hut here. We will write hut here. H-U-T, hut. Children, practice hut 3 more times here, here and here. At last, we will mention page number here, that is 8. We will move to next page. Again, the format will be same. You will draw border. We will divide page into 4 equal parts. Here we will learn how to draw a tree. First, I will make two lines here like this. Two slanting lines here like this. Now from here we will start making curve. Children, size of each curve should be different from the other. Okay? Like this. Now from here we will draw a line here like this. So this is a tree. We will mention tree here. We will mention tree here. T-R-E-E. Tree. Children, again you have to practice 3 more times. Here, here and here. At last, we'll mention page number here, that is 9. I hope you loved it. So keep practicing and show it to your parents and share with your friends. So children, keep smiling, stay home, stay safe and have a nice day. Thank you.